Happy New Year! I'm Nobuko. Today is 1st of January 2026 and I'm heading out for Hatsumode, the first shrine visit of the year. Right now, I'm walking along the station platform. I'll show you how an ordinary person in Japan spends New Year's Day starting from the morning. Please stay with me until the end. Okay, let's go. New Year's morning starts with a special meal. On an ordinary day, I usually stay in my pajamas, rubbing my sleepy eyes and having just toast and coffee. But on New Year's Day, we get dressed, say Happy New Year to each other, and sit down to eat together. One part of this meal is Osechi, traditional New Year's dishes. We usually eat them over the first 3 days of the year. Originally, Osechi was meant to reduce the amount of cooking women had to do during the holidays, so many of the dishes are preserved foods. These days, however, you can buy beautifully prepared, genuinely delicious Osechi. I ordered Osechi for the first time in several years, and I was honestly surprised by how impressive it was. Another food you can't forget on New Year's Day is Ozoni. Ozoni is a soup with vegetables and meat served with mochi rice cakes. The interesting thing is that Ozoni changes completely depending on the region. The mochi can be round or square, grilled or boiled, and the soup can be miso-based or soy sauce-based. My family has always had the Tokyo-style Ozoni. It's made with square mochi in a soy sauce-based soup with vegetables and chicken. Now that breakfast is finished, it's time to head out. People in Japan are generally very religious, but many still go for Hatsumode. Hatsumode is the first visit of the year to a shrine or temple. For some people, this is the only time they visit one all year. Although it is a religious custom, it has become so familiar in everyday life that many people probably don't even think of it as a religious event. This shopping center is due to close in about 2 weeks and be demolished. Its 34-year history will come to an end. This is Kawagoe, a town about 20 minutes from my home by train. It's often called Little Edo and it's a popular tourist destination. I went to high school near here. At the time there were about 1,500 students and all of them were girls. Can you believe that? The torii gate is coming into view. This is Kumano Shrine, one of many shrines in Kawagoe.
Jambo Yatagaras-sama. Jambo Yatagaras.
These are yatagaras, said to be sacred messengers of Kumano Shrine. They are three-legged crows and known as a symbol of guidance. According to legend, yatagaras guided Japan's first emperor, Emperor Jimmu, on his journey. Here, you can receive a short message from yatagaras, so let's pay our respect. I wonder what kind of words we'll get. You're fine just the way you are. That's what it said. Surprisingly, quite high-tech. First, we purify ourselves with water at the place called the Temizia. After that, we pray at the shrine. Shrines are usually very crowded on New Year's Day, but this one feels relatively calm.
いっぱい神社があるよ、小さい。
Next, it's my turn to pray. What did I wish for? That's a secret. After praying, there's a place to receive omamori, protective charms. In English, we should say we buy them, but in Japanese we don't really use that word. Instead of buying an omamori, we receive it and offer a small amount of money to the shrine called Hatsumode. I find the difference in language and culture really interesting. You can see kadomats here. Kadomats are pine decorations placed at the entrance during the new year. Traditionally, they are meant to welcome Toshigami, the deity of the new year. This building used to be a branch of the former Saitama Bank. Due to its age, the bank moved to a new location and the building was later renovated into a space with café and shops. This is the Kurazukuri Warehouse District, the most famous street in Kawagoe. After a large fire in 1893, many fire-resistant buildings were constructed, which is why so many of these traditional structures still remain today. This is the most famous street in the Kawagoe district, known as the Kanetsuki Street. You can see the tower called Toki no Kane, the Bell of Time. The bell at the top of the tower was once used to tell the time. Today, it's rung automatically at set times. There's an interesting Starbucks nearby, so let's go and take a look.
鳥居が綺麗になってる。席ある？
This is the Starbucks Kawagoe Kanetsuki Street store.
あるね。
It has a
な
calm,
い？外のこう
traditional
いうの
Japanese
は
atmosphere. Before heading
席
home,
探してみ
let's
て。
take a short break here. At the back of the store, there's a small Japanese-style garden. This is what the 1st of January is like in Japan. It's usually quiet, spent simply with family. That's it all for today. I usually explore places in Japan that tourists often miss with stories from local history and culture. If that sounds fun, subscribe and join me next time. またね